How to use hints in Vita Mahjong. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it. First of all, open the application. Now we can simply go inside the level that you're playing. So I'm inside the level here. So here you can see the styles that are available. So there are some situations where you find very hard to find the tiles and match it and move forward. Here on the bottom, there are two different options, shuffling and hint. So even after you shuffle, there are times when you don't get the tiles. Here on the right bottom, simply tap on this hint icon, and as you can see, this will automatically indicate the tiles that are matching. Now simply tap on the tiles, and as you can see, you can move forward. So breaking up the tiles from the top will be more useful inside the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.